Three geese too.
Okay. Hey guys, guys, get ready. I'm rolling.
Water out front on the left. You see the ones on. Let's go ahead and stand up. Stand up. See the ones on the water on the left.
Shoot them.
Here, right here. Coming in, guys. Get ready. Shoot them. Sit.
Whoa.
Whoa, long shot, baby.
Got him.
Did you see the muzzle flare from your gun?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Ah. Yeah, here.
Hey, top right. Gadwall?
That'd be a Gaddy.
Yep.
Gaddy daddy, baby.
Sweet.
Nice. Brad.
He's getting his workout in today.
Is that one still? What is that one? Flying way out there. Dang. Hey, hey. Good boy. Let's go. Drop. Here. Only one. There's your kill. Look at that guy. Red head.
Oh yeah.
Wow, beauty.
That's a beaut.
Yeah.
And it's banded. I'm kidding.
Oh, that would be nice.
I had to get you.
Nice try. I think they're divers, but
Shoot him. Good shooting. Fred. I called it just a hair late. I want him closer than that. Just for a minute. Shoot him there. Good, good. Fred. Good. Let's go. That's a real nice color.
That's a good one.
Here. Let's go. Heel. Back. Oh, that's a stud muffin.
I did.
Look at that. Look at that view. Let's go.